How to draw trend lines in TradingView. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are wondering how to draw trend lines in your chart in TradingView, then first of all, open the TradingView application or website and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and open up the chart page. Select any currency pair or go to the chart section from the bottom and choose the trading pair you want. And once you do that, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the pencil icon. And from the drawings option, select trend lines from the top, which is in the front always. And now go ahead and select any trend line tool. And once you do that, tap on the first price point where you want your trend line to begin on the chart. And once you do that, drag the line to the second point. Simply select the trend line option and then go ahead and select where you want your trend line to appear. Tap on it and you'll see a point. Now move the cursor to the next point and tap on it to finish up. Soon after you do that, you can adjust the trend line. You can extend it, change its color, thickness, or style using the available option at the top. Your trend line is typically saved automatically with your chart layout if you're signed in. You can also save your chart layout manually if needed. So that is how you will be able to add or draw trend lines in TradingView. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.